Hello everyone, welcome to Sourav sir classes. This is the question from IIT JAM 2026, question number 13. 13 में क्या दिया गया है? Let P be a non-zero complex n cross n matrix such that V star PV greater than equals to 0. And the condition is this is true for all V belongs to C to the power n. For all vector V star PV greater than equals to 0. So ये क्या imply कर रहा है? This is in quadratic form where P is a Hermitian matrix. Yes, P is a Hermitian matrix because ये symmetric हम नहीं बोल सकते because ये complex field में है. So P is an Hermitian matrix, and as V star PV greater than equals to 0 for all V belongs to Cn. So this implies P is semi-positive definites. Semi-positive definite. अब देखिए सेमी पॉजिटिव डेफिनाइट मतलब अच्छा पी हार्मिशियन मतलब all the eigenvalues of P are real because हम लोग को पता है कि हार्मिशियन मैट्रिक्स का eigenvalues हमेशा रियल होता है and as P is also semi definite also semi positive definite, so the eigenvalues lambda are always greater than equals to 0 lambda I. So the eigenvalues of P are real and always greater than equals to 0. So this is our result. So P is a semi-positive definite or semi-definite. So and all eigenvalues of P are real. So lambda, that means lambda I means all the eigenvalues of P should be greater than equals to 0. अब ऑप्शन में आते हैं. All the eigenvalues of P are negative and real number. Real number तो है but negative कभी नहीं होगा because this is semi-positive definite. So this is false. Sorry, this is false. This is false. All the eigenvalues of P star are negative real number. Okay, देखिए P is a Hermitian matrix, so P star equals to P. So P का अगर हर एक eigenvalues greater than equals to 0 है and real है तो P star का भी all eigenvalues are greater than equals to 0 and real. But यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा है? All the eigenvalues of P star are negative. So this is also false. Okay. Now we already conclude that P is semi-positive definite. Positive definite. Okay. So that means there exists a particular V1 belongs to C to the power n such that V1 star PV1 can be equals to 0 where V1 is not equals to 0. So because this is semi positive definite, कोई भी नॉन जीरो वैल्यू के वजह से कोई भी नॉन जीरो V1 के वजह से दिस टर्म कैन बी 0. बट यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा है? V star PV नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 फॉर ऑल नॉन जीरो कॉलम वेक्टर V. बट ये सेमी पॉजिटिव डेफिनेट में हम लोग को क्या पता था? कोई भी नॉन जीरो वेक्टर के लिए इसका वैल्यू 0 हो सकता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. नाउ ऑप्शन 4 is given that PV1 equals to V2 and PV2 equals to V1. So now we set a vector V1 minus V2. This is also belongs to C to the power n. Now operate P V1 minus V2. Okay, P V1 minus V2, which will give P V1 minus P V2. Okay, P V1 क्या है? P V1 is V2 है and minus P V2 क्या है? V1 है. V2 minus V1. This can be written as minus V1 minus V2. हम लोग को क्या मिला? This is a very interesting part. P V1 minus V2 gives minus of V1 minus V2. As V1 minus V2 is a vector because this is belongs to Cn, so this implies minus 1 is an eigenvalue. किसका eigenvalue? Of P. This implies minus 1 is an eigenvalue of P. But we already declared that P is a semi-positive definite. That means all the eigenvalues, and P is also Hermitian also. So all the eigenvalues of this matrix P should be real and should be greater than equals to 0. But यहाँ पर तो negative आ रहा है. That means this is false. That means our so this case only satisfy this step only satisfy only when v1 minus v2 equals to 0. अगर v1 minus v2 0 होगा तभी तो ये स्टेप सेटिस्फाई करेगा. बस अगर नॉन जीरो होगा तो दिस implies -1 is an eigen value. So v1 minus v2 should be equals to 0. This implies v1 equals to v2. So option 4 is true. It's very much true. So option 4 is true. This is a very good question from the quadratic form. Okay, so option 4 is the correct option. Thank you.